Yo, what is going on YouTube? Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get free PSN codes and free PSN gift card codes in 2024. This is super easy, guys, and this is gonna get you $100 in your PlayStation account for completely free. So you need to use your mobile phone. I've got my iPhone open here, and you need to head on over to this website, guys, www.speedycoupons.com. So head on over to this website, guys, Speedy Coupons. Make sure you go to the correct website, so pause the video and type this down. And this website has tons of different things. You need to look for the PSN gift card codes and coupons page, recognizable by the blue PlayStation logo. So you can either go to the search bar and search for PlayStation, or you can just scroll down and look for this page here, guys. Now, these coupon codes you can see are limited, and there is a process to get your personal code. Now, you can see this one at the top is a $100 gift card. So this is a free PSN gift card code worth obviously $100. So go ahead and click show coupon, and this confirms your choice. Now you can see, as I mentioned, these codes are limited. So of course there is a process to unlock your personal PlayStation gift card code. So this takes a few minutes, and obviously this limits one code per person. So someone can't create a robot to steal 1,000+ codes. So you're going to need to unlock your personal PSN code, guys. Go ahead, tap unlock code. Now, I'm not going to do the entire process, so let me just cancel this, guys. I've already got enough PlayStation gift card codes, but basically you're going to see a new screen, and it will tell you how to unlock your PSN code. It does take about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to complete a couple of these easy tasks, such as downloading and playing some games, or answering questions in a survey. And once you've done that, guys, your code will be fully revealed, so those stars will turn into a full code, and you can enter it into the PSN store, and it's going to give you $100 or whatever that is in your local currency to spend however you want. So head on over to speedycoupons.com and just follow through all of the instructions you've seen in this video and on the website, and that's going to get you $100 PSN code for completely free. So go ahead, do this, guys, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.